Hey, what's up guys? Justin here, Room with a View window cleaning. You might remember me from such videos as window liquor washes quicker, all clear, no smear, or glass act. So hey, I know it's still cold out, got some snow, but I want to get a jump on spring cleaning, start thinking about window washing. So I'm going to go over just the minimum setup you need to get yourself going, and then I'll do a little demonstration. So you got your bucket here. You got your hip bucket, then you got your cleaning solution. I like to go with Clean and Glide. And then I got my T-bar with my scrubber. Of course, you gotta have the squeegee, kind of a must. And your microfiber cloths. Really, that's it. That's about all you need to get rocking. And let's head on over to a window and I'll show you the basics. So we're in here at the window, show you the process. I like to have at least 2 microfiber cloths on me at any time. Got my hip bucket. Holds my scrubber and my squeegees. Then in the bucket I've got about 2 gallons of water. I like to give it a solution. If you want to be exact, you can use a cap full per gallon. Give her a little dunk and wring it out. Alright, so the method I prefer is called cutting in. Start at the center of the window, go to the edge. Then I just clean up my edges. And you're good. Now if you want something a little more basic, you can just hit your edges first, and then you can either go top to bottom, or if you're somewhere where you don't want to drip, it's nice to go side to side. Use your rag to catch your drips. Alright, and then I'll use my dry one. And that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And you can purchase everything you've seen in this and more online at treasurevalleysupply.com. Now get back up on that ladder.